Hey, how you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Garage Door. We're going to show you a low headroom garage door today. This one here is really super sneaky. You can see we got a lag bolt here going in this joist to keep it on the wall. We had to flip the flag bracket backwards because there's no side room here whatsoever. Okay. We had to finagle everything in because of this wall right there, but we got it in. And then over the doorway. Okay, there's a door right there. Got it in. Made a custom hang. I like this one. This is a new one I just came up with today. Got a hinge, lag bolt, put a lag bolt tapper through the back hang. There it is. Pretty cool little innovative bracket I just made. 6'6" high, went right in. This side over here didn't give us as much of a problem as the other side, but there it is, low headroom garage door. Show you, it'll go up like a piece of cake. There it is, low headroom garage door by Innovative Garage Door. For all your low headroom garage door needs, give us a call at 630-271-9343 or visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us at the showroom at 650 Ogden Avenue, DownersGrove.com, innovativegaragedoor.com. You can visit us in person or online, whichever you prefer, but we prefer to see you. But that will be up to you. I would encourage you always to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our low headroom video.